So today's video, I'll just be giving you guys a walk around on this chrome delete that I did on this Audi, and also a taillight tint that I did on this really large taillights on this car. So here we have a full grille chrome delete around the rim of the grille and on the interior lines, like there on that Quattro, and even on the Audi logo. We did a nice gloss black. Here we are with the taillight tint. Now this is a really long taillight tint. From this edge, it goes all the way to the opposite side of the car in one solid piece. So interesting thing is that this taillight was actually done with 2 layers of light shade tint to get a medium to dark shade. As you can see here, it's very clean, came out super nice. Now ideally, I would have done this with one long piece of dark shade tint, but at the time, I just didn't have that luxury, so I went ahead with 2 layers of tint film for that. Now here are some clean professional photos that I took myself of the chrome delete that I did, and we did it in gloss black with 3M. It came out super clean. Everything has been post-heated perfectly, so we have no pullback in the future. And here's just some finishing photos of our homie Jax, because he wanted to jump into the photo and side-eye the camera. Hope you guys enjoyed, and stick around for the next one. Peace.